Phrasal verbs.
Distinguish between.
Distinguish from, distribute to, divide by, divide into, and more.
Listen.
Distinguish between.
Distinguir entre. Diferenciar entre. Fazer distinção entre.
It is hard to distinguish between the two twins. You need to distinguish between facts and opinions. The law distinguishes between murder and manslaughter. Doom to.
Condenar a. Fadar a. Destinar a.
His lack of preparation doomed him to failure. The prophecy doomed the kingdom to destruction. Poor decisions doomed the project to collapse. Drag in.
Envolver. Trazer para dentro. Puxar para.
Don't drag me in your problems. She dragged in her suitcase through the door. They always drag in politics during dinner. Draw attention to.
Chamar a atenção para. Atrair a atenção para.
I want to draw attention to this important issue. The bright sign draws attention to the store. She drew attention to herself with her loud voice. Draw on.
Usar como recurso. Aproximar-se. Desenhar em.
The writer draws on his own experiences. Winter is drawing on. We need to prepare. She drew on a piece of paper. Draw the line at.
Estabelecer limite em. Recusar-se a aceitar. Não ultrapassar.
I draw the line at lying to my boss. He draws the line at working on weekends. We draw the line at spending more than the budget. Drift away.
Afastar-se gradualmente. Desvanecer-se. Perder contato.
The boat drifted away from the shore. Their friendship drifted away over the years. He drifted away from his family after moving. Drift into.
Entrar gradualmente. Cair em. Começar sem intenção.
She drifted into sleep while watching TV. We drifted into conversation during the break. Drill into.
Perfurar. Incutir. Treinar exaustivamente.
The teacher drilled the rules into the students. They drilled the soldiers into perfect discipline. Drop a hint.
Dar uma dica. Lançar uma insinuação. Sugerir indiretamente.
She dropped a hint about what she wanted for her birthday. He dropped a hint that he might quit his job. Try to drop a hint about the surprise party. Drown out.
Abafar, afogar, cobrir, som.
The loud music drowned out their conversation. The noise of the traffic drowned out her voice. We need to turn up the volume to drown out the background. Drum into.
Incutir por repetição. Ensinar à força. Bater em.
The coach drummed the rules into the players. They drummed good manners into the children. She drummed the rhythm into her students.